Ho, ho, ho! Santa here! I've just arrived on my sleigh from the North Pole, and I've filled the hills of West Virginia with magic. I cannot wait to share a once-in-a-lifetime visit with all the good little boys and girls out there. What do I mean? Why, the Santa Claus Experience, of course. A one-on-one opportunity captured in artwork that will outshine the nostalgia of a Hallmark Christmas card. Parents, sit back and marvel as your child's imagination comes to life in these beautifully captured works of art. Now, time is limited, and these unique visits are filling up fast, so don't delay. I promise you'll be amazed by the exquisite holiday art pieces carefully crafted by Foster Fine Art Portraits, located just minutes from Wheeling, West Virginia. For more information and to book your magical experience, visit SantaClausExperience.com and give your family priceless memories to treasure for a lifetime.